Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter 5, Chotu's House, grade 3rd, EVS. Chotu's House, chapter 5. Write down here date. Okay. So we will start from page number 30. Page number 30. Look at this picture very carefully. Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. Okay. छोटू पहली बार मुंबई आया है. First time he came to Mumbai. Now what did he observe here? In this picture you have to just observe it properly. वो क्या observe करता है in this 4 picture? We have to see. Now page number 31. There is 2 picture. वहाँ पर भी 2 pictures दिए गए हैं. These 2 pictures. We have to observe it properly. I hope you have observed. Now we will see here. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? Okay, he is looking here at one pipe. वो एक पाइप को देख रहा है. यहाँ एक पाइप दी गई है, वो उसको देख रहा है. What did he observe at that pipe? How did Chotu use the pipe? वो पाइप का यूज कैसे करता है? वो पाइप का यूज कैसे करता है? Okay, here that he hang the cloth with the use of that pipe. Into which part did Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding area? उसने पाइप को डिवाइड कैसे किया in the surrounding area? Okay, here उसने how he part that pipe. उसने जो पाइप मिली है उसको पार्ट कैसे किया वो हमको यहाँ करना है. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? Okay, he made one house with the using of that pipe. वो एक जो आपको यहाँ सर्कल दिख रहा है ये वाला, that one of the pipe is there. वो पाइप का राउंड बनाया है और वो उसके अंदर उसने अपना घर बनाया है. He has made that pillow, bedsheet, tank, clothes, everything he hanged here and he made one house. He is that making food also. वो अपना खाना भी बना रहा है. So most of the time he spend here in this pipe. जो उसने पाइप बनाई है यहाँ पर वही अपना टाइम स्पेंड करता है. Now next question is there. Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Okay, here that 2 friends, they are living together. Chotu and Monu दोनों साथ में रह रहे हैं. And he invited Monu here. वो invited किसको करता है? Monu. Chotu is here on this picture. आपको ये जो pictures दिख रहा है वहाँ कौन रह रहा है? छोटू रह रहा है. Monu he is here. So he invited Monu to live with her because he is living alone. वो अकेला यहाँ रह रहा था. So he invited Monu with him. Now all the question answer are in your worksheet. वो पूरे जो question answer है in your worksheet. You have to write here in the notebook. Write in notebook. ये आपको नोटबुक में लिखना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the question answer you will write in your notebook. Now here draw a picture of your house in your notebook and color it. One activity is for you that you have to draw your house picture. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? हाउस पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है in your notebook. So this work you have to do in your notebook. Now who all live with you in your house? Who is living with your house? आपके घर में कौन कौन रहता है with you? So you have to write here your mother, father, if your grandparents, grandmother, your sister, uncle, aunt, whoever is living with you. आपके घर पे आपके साथ जो भी रहता है you have to write here the name of the person here. Whoever is living with you, that name you have to write here in this picture. Now Chotu divided the pipe into two different parts. Write the name of the different parts of your house. Now here you can see the picture. First page number 30 पर वो पाइप पर जो घर बना रहा था, and here divided part दो पार्ट में बना है. So whatever which part in your house, different parts in your house, that you have to write here. आपके घर पे जो different parts है घर पे, वो आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. Like here I have written here bedroom, kitchen, drawing room, bathroom. So whatever part of your house, that you have to mention here in this blanks. Now, how much time in a day do you spend each part of your house? आपके घर पे अलग अलग parts, there are different parts of your house. So which part you are spending most of time in your house? आप अपने घर पे सबसे ज़्यादा time spend किस room में करते हो? If you are spending time in the drawing room, kitchen, bedroom, so you have to write here the answer in your notebook. Is there any part of your house where a particular member of your family spend more time? Is there any family members that are spending more time in a one room? So you have to write here family members. आपके घर पे if there is a mother, so she is spending more time in the kitchen. So you have to write the name of the mother also and which room she is spending more time. Kitchen में मम्मी सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. So here you have to write my mother is spending time in the kitchen, most of the time in the kitchen. Is there any part of your house where a particular family member never goes or goes for a short time? Okay, here what is there? Is there any family members they are not getting time or never goes in the rooms? वो रूम में कभी ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते नहीं है और they are never going. So which room is there that they are never going or never spending the time? You have to write here. Now you have must seen that some animals also live with us in our house. Some of these animals live with us because we want them to, while some are uninvited. Okay. Have you observed at your home that some of the insects or some of the animals are with us only? आपने देखा होगा कि कभी कभी ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जो हमारे घर पे ही रहते हैं. So I am giving one example, that lizard. Okay, lizard also we can see in our house and we did not invited. हम कभी invite नहीं करते, but then also they came. So I have given one example here, that rat or mouse, that we are never invited here, but always he will be कैसे भी करके और कुछ भी होता है तो हमारे घर पे आ जाता है. So here that you have to observe your home कि आपके घर पे कौन कौन से इंसेक्ट है जो अनइनवाइटेड आ जाते हैं और कैसे इंसेक्ट्स है जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं. सो यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व हियर विथ योर फैमिली members. I hope you are clear with this. Page number 32. Good morning students. Page number 33, grade 3rd, EVS chapter 5. Now, home sweet home. Okay, we all love our homes. We like to live with our family members at one house. Now, you always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. Underline the hard words. Whatever I have done with the red pen, you have to underline in your textbook. I am reading this poem, so you have to underline the hard words with me. You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us, belongs. But how do I believe that, mother, when I know belongs to many more? When I know it belongs to many more. Look, mother, how the mice, underline this, are all playing catch together. And look how these mosquitoes fly. and how peaceful lies the happy spider. Whatever I have underlined, you have to underline in this poem. Whatever words I have underlined in this poem, you have to underline here only. And look, mother, at a lazy lizard, how slowly it crawls to and fro. And look at so many black ants, all marching in a row. And look outside in the courtyard. The birds are picking about, just like when my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel and shout. That is why I say, dear mother, don't think this house is only ours. It's dear to us and all who live here and have been living for many years. Okay, here one boy is telling about his house. वो अपने घर के बारे में बता रहा है. So her mother is telling that this house only for you only. So the boy is telling, no, this house is not mine, but here so many birds, insects are living with us. So वो घर भी उनका ही है. So here one picture says given lizard है, bees है, parrot है, mice है, cockroaches है. So you have seen in your house these insects and these small animals also. So that boy is telling, no, this house is not only for me only. This house for all. ये सब के लिए मेरा घर है. So this house is not belongs to me, but all whoever is living with me. I hope you are clear with this poem. Thank you.